Hi, so this is the second part. So in here I'm going to demonstrate how the data validator is important in Zeppelin. So different chart types have different data models. For pie chart you have a string and number. For if you representing geographical information, you need like latitude and longitude, some kind of a string. What is the song? And scatter chart or bubble chart you need two numbers, x and y. So now I'm going to explain about data validators, like basically types and range, and it could be like when complex objects. So you must able to validate is on the schema. So you can find the Zeppelin data validator service on the Zeppelin web source component data validator. In there you will find factory that can be extendable to any factory that you are writing at the moment. If you're trying to introduce a new chart type or data new model system to the Zeppelin, you can write a new factory, and the factory is exposed under data validator service, and this is the factory that can be extended to any factory. So this is the schema. So I'm gonna get my visualization tutorial to demo this thing. So I'm going to show how I can validate the data with range. So at the moment this is the latitude and longitude maximum and minimum. So I'm interested about this point, and it is bit into very high latitude, so I'm gonna reduce into a bit more. First of all, I can see my data set, and let's try to find what is the correct highest latitude in my data set. So this is the state that I'm looking should interest. Okay, you can see, and it is 6.161 is the highest one, so I'm gonna mark my range to 60. So in the schema I make it to 60. So okay, so I get my console. So in there you will able to see the messages. So since I'm running on ground servers, I can do the save. When I save it, you can see it's reloading the thing, nothing to do. Okay, yes, data is existing, but latitude 60 is not in the range, so it is not valid. So it is able to find the particular data set is not valid, so map won't be drawn. So I just increase into 90 at the moment, so it's clear to see like it's running very perfect and smooth. And then I'm gonna mark it to the high. It's normal. I just save, and I will clear the log. So just not any errors. Yes, perfect, fine. So this is not only for the map, it valid to the other data type. You can see like pipes, scatter data set, schema. So let's try to demo with scatter data set. So for example, this is GI data set. So if you try to run on any other particular type, you will see the error, right? Record United States is not matching. Scatter chart is not matching. Everything you can able to see, they were not matching. So let's try to see on the chart as well. So this is the normal Zeppelin tutorial in here. So each chart contains their model. So for scatter chart, I will change this thing into a string and save it. No errors should be comes. So WebSocket doing some console prints, not interested anymore. So I'm going to click on here. Yes, data record 4 is not in the schema because I have changed it to number and a string. If you have number, then it's okay. For only demo performance I changed to wrong schema, so if the data model is not existing in the correct order, you will get an error and the message like this. Then if you change it to correct one, slide this one here, you can click on any data type, you see like no errors because it's correct. So example, let's try to see some other chart as well. So only for demo purposes I will change to string again. I save it, wait till it's load. No errors should come for the scatter chart since I'm in scatter chart. So okay, so I click on pie chart, yes, record is not matching, click okay, record is not matching, yes, record is not matching, yes, but scatter chart should not get any errors. So yes, it's not getting error since you are correct schema. So you see the error, so I make it to number, save it, no errors. So you can see no errors at the moment, perfectly tuned. Okay then. So data validator is very important when you're introducing new chart type to the Zeppelin. You can write the data validator for your data model for the particular chart. So very important, the particular users will not break the analytics, and before drawing or visualizing the thing we can validate the data. If any miss or invalid data, it won't make you to take a wrong decision because visualization won't happen if data is not valid under the schema. For example, I'm only interested about US, I can make the range, the particular latitude and longitude, the particular area, and if any data that is out of my scope, I'm not interested. You can remove from the data validator. So there are a lot of features that you can use in the data validator when you're doing the analytics, and it is very important. All right, thank you all. See you on some more time. Bye.